Yes, you can. Yes, I could.
No, you can't.
Here, go ahead. Y'all, I can
Put
do
your
it.
shorts on. Go put your shorts on. Go stretch. Oh, that is hilarious.
No, I'm not really gonna do it.
Yeah, you should totally do it.
I could do it.
You
I'll
can.
do it. If I did it, if I practiced for a week.
For a week. If I practice
I can't. My jeans won't allow me.
Go put your shorts on.
You cannot. While you're at it, why don't you just free ball?
Oh, that was so funny. Well, maybe if they hung a little lower, you might could.
You're not strong enough. Oh, she would say, oh, you're not strong enough to do it.
Try it again, Dad.
No, no trying. I can do it. Watch.
Alright, you can't hold your leg.
You can't hold your leg. Oh Lord.
You gotta take this walk off.
We gotta take what? Should you stretch?
It's a new Olympic game, kicking yourself in the ball.
They can do the curling thing. They could definitely.
Yes, I actually could.
Do it again. Ivan. No, it's not that close.
You want me to do it in spandex pants?
Yeah.
Tell you
Yeah.
that if I went
Prove
anywhere-
it. Prove it.
No, I'm not gonna kick
You
myself.
cannot do it. You're not.
I'll do it naked and prove to you that I can do it. I am every bit. I can do it.
Do it again. No.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I can feel it.
When you cut your shorts.
When you
kick yourself in the balls, it's gonna hurt. So when you go on the ground, then we'll believe you.
No, I'm not. I'm not stupid.
It's because you're moving the crotch of your shorts. That's what you feel. You're
no,
not.
No, I mean,
That's what
Yeah.
you feel.
all right.
Do it again. Try your left leg.
No, I can't do that.
Just try.
Doesn't bend the same.
What?
That one gets too tired. I can do this one all day.
Oh my god.
Okay, Justin, your turn.
Crazy.